Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS CryptoCurrencyState. My name is Santiago and in today's video we are going to cover this amazing Cardano airdrop. This is Midnight and the claim for the Glacier phase 1 already open. So you can go now and claim your airdrop. We are going to cover that step by step on this video. And guys, this is not only for Cardano ADA holders, this is for a very long list of token holders on different blockchains like BNB, Avalanche, even XRP. So check this video because we are going to see all the eligibility criteria, everything, and go step by step on how to claim this. There are a couple of issues with the claim that I'm going to address too, so this video is full about how to get this. Let's go directly to the content. Hey guys, if you didn't know this before, Midnight is an innovative new blockchain empowering groundbreaking apps that safeguard sensitive commercial and personal data. The testnet is live on this. This is backed by the Midnight Foundation and Cardano supports this project too. We have been hearing Charles Hoskinson talking about Midnight Airdrop from a while. They did the last snapshot on June. So let's go and see the important points about this airdrop. This is the Midnight Glacier drop and first phase of the Midnight Night token distribution. This means that we are going to have another phases on this airdrop distribution. This is not the only one. So this is called Glacier and it's the first phase. The claimants of this phase are those who have control over the private keys of unsanctioned blockchain addresses, holding a minimum balance equivalent to $100 in one or more eligible tokens: ADA, BTC, Ethereum, Sol, XRP, BNB, AVAX, or BAT in their native blockchains, based on a random historical snapshot of each of these blockchains. Those are going to be eligible to participate on this phase 1 airdrop. So if you don't understand correctly this, that means that if you have your tokens in a central exchange, you are not going to receive this airdrop because you are not able to sign for the transactions that you need in order to get this airdrop. The same way, right now there are problems if you are a holder of a Ledger Nano, a Trezor, there are some issues. So we are waiting information from the official sources because there are issues on the sign of the transaction. But if you are in a central exchange with any of these tokens, you are not going to be participating on phase 1. The second phase of unclaimed Glacier drops is going to be also after this period. Remember, this first phase lasts 60 days, so you still have time to participate. And because the token is not going to be live right now on trading on these 60 days, you can take your time in order to claim this, so don't rush on it if you don't need to. But if you go to the official Midnight announcement, you will see all the information. At the time of recording, they launched this just a couple of hours ago. So you will see everything here. Here you have the official claim link that we are going to show too. And you have very interesting comments on the post. One of them is regarding the usage of hardware wallets. So if that is your case too, you can check these messages. I'm going to tell you a little bit about that too. But here is the official Midnight announcement on our step 1. The step 2 is the claim. So I'm going to show you that right now. This is the claim page. You can see the introduction to the Night token here. And this is how it works. You need to choose an origin address, choose the destination address, accept the terms and conditions, sign and complete the claim. It's not really difficult, but we enter it into some issues depending what wallet are you using and all that. The very important thing is that after you complete all this, guys, what happens next is after this claim phase ends, so after 60 days, a second claim phase is going to start. And when that phase ends is that the redemption period will start and you will be able to redeem your claim allocations as they throw. So remember, we need to claim now this, wait 60 days for phase 2, and after phase 2 is where we are going to receive really our tokens, and probably they are going to be launched in markets and all that, so you can be able to trade them. So right now this claim is not going to give you the tokens. Remember that because many people were asking where were the tokens after the claim. And if you have any doubts at all, you can check the Midnight frequently asked question links. I put it here. And remember guys, all these links, everything that I am showing you here, you will see it in the first link of the description that sends you to my post on my website at CryptoCurrencyState.net. That is the best way to put all the information instead of everything in the description because I have pictures and more stuff. So you can see all this in the post on my website, but it's the first link of the description. So now let's go and check everything how you can claim this. From the official claim website, remember, start the claim now. You will be here. You need to first select what token you have, selecting the blockchain. So all these blockchains are eligible for the tokens. So you need to select here which one. Let's say that the one that got more rewards is Cardano. You just click Cardano here, confirm the network. You can select it from the browser wallet, or you can put it manually here. Even if you put it manually, you will need to confirm the transaction. So it's best if you go wallet per wallet and check with your browser wallet. It's going to be easier. So just click on continue, and here for the purpose of ADA you will see the options that you have. So these 6 are the wallets that you may have your ADA tokens. So select the one that you are and you will be able to move into the next step. Now for the purpose of the video, we don't have it here to show you, so I am showing you some screenshots on how this works. But basically, when you connect your wallet, if you have tokens that you need to be claimed, you will see this. This is your origin address, is eligible of night allocation. You will see your amount here. This is on the blockchain Cardano. You will see part of your address. So this means that you are going to get this from Cardano. Remember, that wallet, if it's a MetaMask wallet, maybe you can claim for BNB. You also may claim for Solana. Depending the compatibility of your wallet, you may need to connect with the same wallet to different blockchains to claim all your tokens. So the list is very long, so be sure to check all your wallets in case that you may have funds and you are eligible of this. So after you see this, you click on next, and you need to select the destination address. The easiest way to do this is I want to enter the address manually. You can see here the option. That will be easier. Instead of browsing to another wallet that you need to connect a second wallet, is going to be more difficult. Of course, you need to put the same blockchain that the one you are claiming here. This is Cardano. So after you do that, click on continue, put the address manually, and you move to the next step. So when you put your address, you are going to see this. Your destination address is unused. That's fine. It's not a problem on that. So after that, click on next. And you need to accept the terms and conditions. I check it a little bit, there's nothing weird here, so just scroll down until the end, click on next, and you will be done with that part. And finally, you need to sign and complete the process. Remember guys, that you need to confirm the transaction in your wallet. So if you are in a central exchange and you put manually an address from there, it's not going to work. You need to have your browser wallet or hardware wallet when that works again. So after you do that, you're going to see this. So here you see the summary, which is complete. You will not get your tokens yet. Remember, you need to wait for the second phase to end after the 60 days, and then the redemption period will start. But you can see your claim summary. This is after you sign it and the claim is completed. So remember, everything needs to be in green, and you need to see this that says claim completed, and you have there the information and what happened next, what we mentioned before, that we need to wait all this period of 60 days and then the second phase to arrive. So with that, you already finished how to claim this. Do it with all the blockchains, because remember, you may have AVAX on MetaMask the same way that you have BNB, Ethereum or Solana. XRP, of course, is another type of wallet, maybe the same for Bitcoin, but you may have it on your MetaMask too. So check all your wallets, even if the value of this token is probably going to be small. With all your wallets and all your interactions, if you had $100 there, you are going to be eligible. So this could mean something in the future, we don't know. So go and claim everything. And that is basically all guys. Remember, the notes for this is that there are some issues for people trying to claim from hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor. So check the messages on the official post and check the messages on the official Twitter account of Midnight. And because you can check many wallets, take your time and use, of course, the official links. Don't get into scam links, because you are going to be clicking and checking many wallets. So be careful on all that. And guys, that is all for this video. Remember to follow me at X at CryptoCState. I post live stuff there. For example, yesterday we have the airdrop claim of ZkSync Labs. So if you are following me In X, you will have all the claims live and most important information about the airdrops and crypto. So follow me there if you don't want to miss any information. And of course, in my private Discord, we also have a ton of information of different things on and announcements. We also have airdrop distributions. There are many airdrop claims that we don't cover in our videos that are only on my private Discord. So if you want to join here, go to CryptoCurrencyState.net/subscriptions, join to my private Discord. We also have an airdrop application that I created where you can apply to airdrops really easy, setting alarms, putting comments so you don't forget where you put liquidity, and many things that are going to make your life very easy if you use my app. Here is a video on how it works. So join my private community if you want the alpha on airdrops and crypto. Remember, we have merchandising for you related to airdrop hunting and crypto, and our NFT collection for passive income. That will be all. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.